Yes. Tonight we got a hot new sensation for you, straight from the Netherlands. It's quite amazing. It's like a funky soul, groovy kind of thing. His name is Arts the Beat Doctor. Let's check this one out, shall we? I got sick lyrics, so just give me a fix. For the smart art, get the sickest bag of tricks. Hit the stage, rock shows, then bag the chicks. And that real talk, homie, ain't no bragging shit. This piece is some holy immaculate conception, still we be smacking it. Do this 24/7, got an act for it. We keep it realistic, yo, acting it. Like a doc after anal exam, you talk shit. We walk the park and straight up spark shit. When the liquor flows, y'all know how it goes. We start acting like loose dogs and shit. Like, just quit. Perfect combination is I just spit. On the arts production, roads and percussion is all I really need for my flow to function. So, beat doctor, just give me a beat and a spit some proper. Beat doctor, chop into the black helicopter. Beat doctor, just give me a beat and a spit some proper. Beat doctor, yo, just delay, I've been figuring out what this is about. Even with a cloud, no doubt, in my mind you'll find I stay focused, I stay bogus. Catch biscuit like locusts, I stay bogus. What? I say I know this in this game of rap. Fully saturated industry seems to be trapped. Newer distracted tap from the digital source, the rising of a new generation. Creating own laws, the arts and I, we define, we redefine what's genuine. In search of more shine, we be rhyming, finding perfect beats, yo, every time. Arts the beat doctor, just give me a beat, spit some proper. Arts the beat doctor, chop is in a play. Arts the beat doctor, just give me a beat and I'll spit some proper. Arts the beat doctor, yo, MP Filet, come on.
終わった。じゃあ今日はなんか特別ジャッジがいらっしゃるんで、ゆうすけさんと2人だとあれだから1人誰か
2人でいい？
2人で
よくないですか？
じゃあ2人で行きましょう。はい、じゃあジャッジお願いします。
なんか
ダラダダンダン。おお、引き分けとこっちか。じゃあ赤池さん。
総評とか。
総評、もう総評なの。もう総評なの。あ、じゃあバトルに対してなんかやっぱり物申してもらえますか。レッドブルーも結局ねダンサージャッジがいるから。じゃあ
俺から。
じゃあ
赤池さんはまとまっててすっきり終わってなんか見やすかった。こっちは
中国ね。
長いっすか？長い。
それ本当あるある。
技の凄さとかじゃなくて長い。どんぐらいですか？なんかね。
まあどんぐらいっていうかなんかずーっとやってんな感はある。
どこが見せたいのかが分かんない感じ。それぐらいですかね。